Pests have no problem invading your outdoor space. Check out 5 tips to keep your yard bug-free. 1. Trim your vegetation. Bugs like to hide in vegetation. Regularly mow your lawn. Trim bushes, shrubs, plants, and tree limbs so they aren't touching your house. Remove weeds and brush. 2. Minimize moisture. Ensure your gutters and downspouts are working properly. Check for and repair leaks. Don't overwater your lawn and plants. Examine your yard for poor drainage spots. 3. Remove other attractants. If you eat outside, clean up crumbs and spills. Remove yard debris and trash. Swap your white light bulbs for warmer hues. 4. Check for nests and pests. Examine your yard for anthills and stinging insect nests. Plant-based insecticides can help treat nests. Don't forget to check for ticks on you and your pets after spending time outside. 5. Use a plant-based insecticide spray. You can create a protective barrier in your yard with our plant-based insecticide spray. Our yard bug spray kills and repels common outdoor pests. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.